This video is about Nigerian fruits for weight loss and their benefits. It is also about some of the more traditional African foods that can be used for weight loss. We have had many people ask, how do I lose weight using Nigerian diet and little exercise? The truth is that even if you do exercise without eating some certain fruits, you are making a mistake. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. When you want to lose weight, it is important to eat some Nigerian fruits that have healthy nutrients. You will notice that when you start eating healthy fruits, your weight reduces. This is because you are keeping your body's metabolism at a high rate while still having the right amount of energy. Let us discuss facts about fruits. You will notice that many people who have used these fruits in different forms have lost a significant amount of weight. Even if you are not trying to lose weight, consuming these fruits can give you a nice feeling of well-being because it helps to keep your body healthy. Another great thing about these fruits is that they are easy to take in and digest. They also have many other health benefits. For example, takes away or guarantees that you will be able to fight off colds, flu, and coughs. These illnesses can lead to severe damage to your body and cause death. Fruits does not only help to target belly fat effectively, but they can also help to reduce the risk of any type of cancers and other serious diseases. Fruits offer essential vitamins and nutrients, fiber, minerals, and other necessary nutrients essential for overall good health. Here are just a few of the healthy fruits that help in weight loss. Grapefruit. The grapefruit is known to be one of nature's powerhouse fruits. They help in weight loss by increasing metabolism. By doing so, more calories are burned, which in turn leads to weight loss. This fruit is also high in fiber, iron, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Apple. The apple is another excellent fruit when it comes to weight loss. Apples are great sources to get vitamins and minerals. They are very low in calories and also low in carbohydrates. But apples have another great benefit that many people fail to recognize, and they are also packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are what the body needs to ward off free radicals that can cause damage to cell membranes. Free radicals, also called toxins, can cause damage to internal organs. Pomegranate. The pomegranate is another superfruit that many people fail to recognize. Pomegranates, also known as Iyeso Bonny in Nigeria, have high antioxidant content and help in weight loss as well. Pomegranate is known to help in the reduction of body fat as well as help to reduce insulin resistance, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. And because it contains antioxidants, the fruit is also an effective treatment for cancer and heart diseases. African cherry. African cherry is called agbalumo or udara in Nigeria. It is also known to contain lots of antioxidants. They also help to control the immune system and help in weight loss. This fruit contains natural anti-inflammatory properties and helps to burn fat and control cravings. Papaya. They are used for curing diarrhea and stomach problems. Papayas are high in antioxidants, which help to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, prevent the development of heart disease, and decrease the risk of diabetes. They contain plenty of fiber-rich antioxidants, which help the body to digest food better and help to control weight gain. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of Nigerian fruits for weight loss and their benefits. Please drop your comments below telling me what you think. And if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like and share. Let us discuss the benefits of eating fruits. The health benefits are quite numerous. They include improved health for your digestive system, immune system, and even skin. They help you improve your energy levels, which means that you burn more calories when you are exercising. If you are looking to reduce a few pounds, one of the most healthy and natural ways to do so is to consume healthy fruits. Some fruits help in weight loss, and the list of benefits they have includes weight loss, improved skin and energy levels, reduced blood pressure and cholesterol levels, prevention of certain diseases, and even preventing the onset of others. These are just a few of the benefits of eating these healthy foods on a daily basis. Eating fruits regularly is the best way to lose weight and keep it off. A number of dietitians recommend eating fruits 2 or 3 times a day to boost energy levels and help you feel fuller longer. You should also incorporate fruits into your diet, such as blending them together. You can use them to make healthy Nigerian recipes for weight loss. To get the most nutrients from your fruits, you should eat them after dinner or when they are at their peak of natural content, which is usually around 8 hours after they are plucked from the tree. Consume a variety of fruits so that you will not get bored with any one type. In addition, always eat the fruits raw and make sure to chew them thoroughly before consuming, to make sure that you do not ingest any hard seeds. Conclusion: eating fruits to lose weight requires more than just choosing the type of fruit you want to eat. Nigerian fruit diet plan includes the fruits mentioned earlier. You should also focus on the quality of the fruits as well. Eating the ones that are low in calories is important, as you can enjoy the benefits while still getting all the necessary vitamins and nutrients. Eating unripe fruits is fine, but choose fruits that are already ripe. Fruits should be fresh and eaten immediately. To help you achieve this, choose fruits that are high in nutrients and don't eat them if they are rotten. Now that you have known some of the Nigerian fruits for weight loss and their benefits, give it a try and have fun. Thank you for watching our video on Nigerian fruits for weight loss and their benefits. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.